Hi everyone, my name is Keith. I'm a machine expert with USACLEAN for 12 years, and this is the Sandia Spotter machine. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to keep your machine running at peak performance, and it will help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. So a pump replacement on your carpet spotter is fairly simple. First, we're going to start out by removing the wires from the pump. There we go. And now we're going to take, and this Oetiker clamp right here, we're going to cut this clamp off. Like that. Next step, we have got to remove this water line from the pump. Like that. And now there is a Phillips head screw that is holding this bracket for the pump. We got to remove that screw. So now with the bracket loose, what we're going to do is we're going to take this plastic elbow fitting off of this side of the pump. Get a pair of pliers. Just be able to twist it out. Just like that. And now we can take this bracket, slide it off this side of the pump. Boom, like that. So now our next step is to take the pump and twist it, turning it off the inlet side of the machine. Just like that. Now, get your new pump, and there's an inlet side and an outlet side, and there's an arrow right here indicating which way the water flows. So make sure the arrow is pointed back towards the vac motor. So go ahead and tighten it back down on the inlet side. Okay, just like that. So the next step is take your bracket that holds the pump to the machine. Go ahead and put it back on that pump. Now what we need to do is line that bracket up with the hole and tighten that screw that we took out back down in there. Just like that. And now what you want to do is take that plastic elbow that we took off, go ahead and tighten it back down, reinsert it on the outlet side of the pump. Get a set of pliers. Tighten like that. So now what we want to do is get a small hose clamp like that, since we had to cut off the Oetiker one. Slide your hose back down on the elbow. And then we're going to tighten that hose clamp back down. Just like that. Now all we have to do is plug your pump back in. Like that. So the last and final step is we're going to take the bottom plate and put it back on the machine. Go ahead and take your screws, get them started, and then we're just going to tighten them back down. Just like that, and you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below, or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe, and thanks for watching.